Hello guys, this is Angel Martinez. I'm your language art teacher and you're very welcome to this your didactic model. So what we are going to learn in this model, well, we have three different topics. The first one, fictional narratives, the second one, informational text, and the third one, compound words. So you will develop understanding and active reading through different analysis about fictional narratives, informational text, and we are going to include compound words as well. So you will understand effectively communication through these different kind of text. And of course, I want you to enrich your written skills. We are going to have to go through different interactive elements, and of course at the end we will have a quiz and we are going to have time for a project. So be careful, be attentive, and enjoy this your model.